Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to verify Bitcoin or any other currency, you need to verify your ID on Cash App. So simply tap open your Cash App, and once you do this, you need to tap on your profile icon. Once you have tapped on your profile icon, simply scroll down below and simply tap on Security and Privacy. After doing this, simply tap on the option called Verified right besides the option Identity Verification. Once you tap on Verify, you need to now give your personal information and verify your documents. And once all the documents are screened and verified, you will be able to get verified in your Cash App. And now you can simply buy bitcoins and do other transactions related to Bitcoin as you have been verified in Bitcoin as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.